Namaste. Welcome. My name is Laura, and I'm very happy that you found your way here today. I would love to guide you through a meditation today with themes of heart connection and also themes of welcoming in a new year. So we're approaching that turning point in the Gregorian calendar where we end one year and move into a fresh new beginning of 2024. So as you are settling in, just know that you can practice this meditation from a seat or from reclined. It's great for any time of day, and even a few days after the new year. If you're finding this a few days after the new year, you can also bring it in toward the beginning of new months as well. So I do want to mention that I am trying to build up the subscribership on my channel, and I want to switch ads off for you at some point. I'm not able to just yet, but what you can do is help me out by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video, commenting on this video. That's all very supportive. You could leave me a little smiley or perhaps a heart emoji, something like that. And that all will help me to be able to switch ads off so that they don't interrupt our meditations and yoga nidras, yoga practices, and things like that in the future. So we're working our way toward that. That's a goal that I'm holding in my heart for us all for the new year. And if you do experience an ad while you're in meditation, you might just stay with your breath and press the skip button as soon as you're able, and then come back to join me where we left off. So no stress about that. Good. So as you're getting comfortable, you might like to close down through the eyes. You can start to internalize your awareness and attention. Drawing your awareness inward. Letting go of the grip that the external landscape might have on the mind. And suggesting to the thinking mind that now is the time to relax. Relaxing into this inner scape. Allow your awareness to start to settle into the space of the heart, the Anahata chakra. So attention may land and arrive in the center of the chest. You may visualize more of an orb here that expands and is radiant, warming the whole chest and the upper back. But also knowing that the heart center includes the shoulders, the arms, the hands. These horizontal limbs that we use to hold others close to our hearts. And the heart chakra calls us to connect with themes of love, compassion, spaciousness and openness, grief, empathy and unity, this vast, endless, eternal and internal space inside of you. And as you're connecting with the heart, you might sense the breath here. This air element, alive within your being, alive within the heart, moving the lungs like a pair of wings, soaring, opening, in motion. This heart that guides you through. This beacon of light that is here to help you find your way through any time or experience. And the heart space can remind us to hold compassion not only for others, but first and foremost for ourselves. Self-compassion and acceptance and love. A tender energy radiating. And as you connect with your heart here in this time, you might sense other beauty that resides within. These gifts, this light you carry that is already here. This warming energy within. That supports you in this life and also touches the hearts of others you encounter. Perhaps this is a patience, a kindness, energy of gratitude, this unwavering energy of gratitude. Peace and love here. And whatever you might have encountered throughout this past year and the years before, this energy remains. Growing stronger, brighter, more precious. And these experiences that you have endured or risen above, learned from. A part of you, and knowing that you carry with you only what you need, only what serves you. You might imagine a tree, a deciduous tree that loses its leaves in the autumn season. The tree remains. There's a letting go time. There's a falling away to make way for what is next, what is coming, what lies before you. But within the fiber of your being, you carry the wisdom of the past and even of your ancestors, of the moon cycles. And take a moment now to look ahead. If you could see in your mind's eye yourself at the end of 2024. Maybe this day, a whole year from now. Seeing you in your most vibrant, healthy, peaceful, and well version of yourself. See your face. Sense the aura, the energy beaming, shining from you. You might consider here how you could support yourself. How this version of you today and these gifts, this light that you hold steadily within your heart, how can you nurture this light to carry you through to this future self? Like a supportive, encouraging, loving friend. We can be this to ourselves. And there might be habits that you wish to slowly shift, or ways that you can protect your energy throughout the year. Ways that you wish to listen to what you need, to honor what you need throughout the year ahead. And to respect your authenticity, to show up authentically you each day. And know that you have this cheerleader within, this encouraging source of loving energy right here in your heart to empower you to do so. And let's bring the hands to the heart. You can take the left hand across to the right side of the chest, the right hand across to the left, as if placing the hands in the shape of wings in this heart center, this heart space. Knowing that just like a bird, this heart can take you to beautiful places, just like the wings of a bird. You can be carried and guided by its wisdom. You can maintain a loving and compassionate awareness or bird's eye view perspective. Letting this heart right here remind you of this. And take a deep breath in through the nose, a breath out of the mouth. Breathing in through the nose, and as you exhale, wrap yourself up in a loving embrace. Give yourself a big hug. Breathing here into this loving energy, feeling held and wrapped in the arms of a loved one. And take a moment to gather your hands now, palm to palm at the heart center, and you can bow your head down towards your heart. This source of love, light, and truth, knowing. Thank yourself for taking time to connect with your heart space. Today, each day, coming back to this touchstone. When you're very ready, you can flutter open through the eyes, taking all the time you need to transition, to let light in. Slow, deep breaths to support. Knowing that I thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me today and in previous videos. If you've had the opportunity to check out some of the other offerings on my channel, I'm just so grateful for your presence here, and I look forward to connecting with you throughout the next year and beyond. Do let me know in the comments below if you have some things that you're really excited about in 2024 to hold close to you, things that you feel really enthusiastic about. And I would love to share with you that in January of 2024, I'm hosting a special workshop series called The Way of the Heart. So this will be a 4-part series, and you can practice live or you can practice in your own time in the recorded version, the replay of these workshops. They'll each be about an hour and each themed around a specific topic of the heart. So we'll touch on things like love and compassion, grief, and different topics like that through techniques like meditation, breath work, journaling, restorative yoga, and other movement practices, things like that. So if you're excited to learn more about that, I have a special link for you in the description of this video below. So you'll find this workshop in our online yoga studio, the School of Living Yoga online studio. So if you're not already a member there, then what you can do is follow this link below to the School of Living Yoga online studio, and you'll receive 2 weeks free. So 2 whole weeks free to get comfortable with navigating and to let us know if you have any check-in items, and then to be nice and comfy for and ready to begin for the Way of the Heart workshop, which starts on Saturday, January 13th of 2024. So you can let me know if you have any questions below. And I'll look forward to catching up with you soon, either here on the channel or in the online yoga studio. Be well. I wish you so much love and peace and wellness for 2024. Bye.